All right, fellas, it's been a little while. I walk in and you say, ew?
I say hello.
Oh, I thought I heard ew. What are you up to?
Yeah, Instagram stuff.
Ah, this is our Instagrammer.
What's up?
A close up. Woo!
A little too close.
How's it going, Rodney?
Pretty good.
What are you working on?
Trying to eat my lunch at 1:30.
Oh, that's a late lunch.
Yeah.
Man,
Yeah.
been a little busy.
Yeah.
Man. It's a little crowded in here. Look at all these
Very
cars,
crowded in
guys.
here.
Man. It's good scenery, though.
I'm tired of the scene.
You want to change your scenery. There we go. Let's see what's going on in here. Ooh. Oh, I got to show you guys. Stone did a thing. Go show us the thing you did. Come on. All right, let's see. Stone did a thing. Hello, hello. You're scratchy, scratchy. Oh, you got trip hop going?
Yep.
That's a good day.
Study, whatever.
Yeah. Oh, with the cat?
I don't know if it's a cat or a raccoon. Or...
Oh, it's a cat. And the lady,
No,
like
this
she's
is a different
studying?
one. This is a different one.
Oh, okay. So what you working on?
The thing that Stone did.
Stone did a thing. Look at that nice color. It's pretty pretty. I gotta say, when you guys were describing it, I was like, what? But
Ceiling wax red. I mean,
it's very pretty though.
it's kind of a blasé color, but it's a classic VW color.
Yeah.
Maybe I should turn down the music.
Vintage retro.
Let me turn that down.
All right, I'll show you guys. That's a lot of real estate on these.
Yep.
Inside and outside. Did he do both?
Yeah.
Nice.
Over the course of about 3 or 4 days.
Okay.
So we laid down the red first,
Yeah.
let it dry overnight, and then went back through and masked everything that wasn't red,
Oh my.
or masked everything that was red,
Right, okay.
and then shot the white.
Yeah.
Then unmasked everything, and then
Cleared everything.
cleared everything.
Wow.
It was like, ugh.
That's a lot of time in the booth.
Yeah. It was about 4 days total, maybe 5 with the masking.
Yeah.
So it's like, if you ever want to do a 2-tone bus, you want to keep your budget down, then don't do
Don't
a
do a
2-tone.
two-tone.
But
This looks really pretty though.
yeah, it's gonna be a stock restoration. I actually kind of liking it.
Yeah.
So,
I actually dig it a lot. This is very cool. Look, guys.
yeah. So I've got the back side of the secondary panels over there that I've still got to do.
Okay.
Front sides are all done and in shiny. Haven't started scratching those yet.
It looks nice.
Got a couple parts that gotta get caught up, and
And this is the one that had this bus had a lot of weird stuff, right? When
yeah, we had to cut the doors. So
yeah, this is the one with the hinge
So-
issue. Yeah.
Apparently this is the main body all the way around from that cheek to, well, I'm now working on this other cheek. All been cut to 1500,
Okay.
and then we'll switch over to machine after that because that's what the client requested.
Okay.
So it's not gonna be it's not gonna be a dead nut bus.
Right,
It's
right.
gonna have some wavy into it, but
Yeah.
it'll still be better than factory.
Right, and he's looking for a daily, right?
I'm not sure what he's gonna use it for. So after that, we're gonna send out stuff for powder coat to match this. So the rims, the window frames, the bumpers, all of that's gonna be powder coated to match this.
Nice. So
'Cause
no chrome.
No, they're not chrome.
That's what I'm saying. Is there won't be chrome then? That's nice.
There's a chrome strip that goes here.
Oh, okay.
That he has to put in because we don't have it.
Right. Okay.
But that's not part of our contract.
Right. Right.
And then we'll put the headliner in, drop the windows in, and then it goes home.
Nice.
So I got probably another week of polish on this, and then I'm leaving this for Stone
Good.
and do the color sanding just because there's a lot of real estate.
There is
and
a
I
lot
don't
of
feel
real
like
estate.
standing up
No.
all day long, 2 days.
I know, right? And it's kind of an awkward position of standing too, because you're like bent over. Or
It's not too
sorta-
bad with these carts.
No, okay.
So, and I've got a pretty good gorilla reach. So, you see what the guy's doing?
Yeah. I didn't see Shannon. Stone
he
was
went-
doing Instagram.
I think he went back over to O'Reilly's. I think he's been there like 5 or 6 times.
Oh,
today
wow.
trying to get right size.
It's a good thing they're
something or
close
other.
by, huh?
kind of frustrated,
Yeah.
but that's okay.
And poor Rodney's just now getting lunch, so
Oh, he's just now getting lunch.
yeah. He's a little busy.
Yeah, he's been playing with Jeff's top, which we were able to salvage.
Uh-huh.
So the white convertible out there.
Oh, yeah, okay.
They're actually from Arkansas. He's a friend of mine, and he bought that car for his daughter. Mm-hmm. And the top didn't work quite right. And
Can you show us, or is it?
Yeah. Like I think they went through two or three engines till they figured out what was wrong with it.
There's Shannon. Hey, Shannon.
Hello.
All right, show me this.
So Rodney's already put this thing back together. So there's a set of bows in here that operate the top,
Uh-huh.
and there's an elastic band that goes in between those two bows. So as it draws up, it actually pulls itself out of the way.
Oh, okay.
So the top was actually stopped about here, and they
Right.
actually had a custom cover made for that top.
It was kind of weird looking.
And they went through one or two engines.
Oh, wow.
Because there wasn't enough airflow for the engines.
Oh, I
to
was
have it
wondering how
down.
that was connected. Okay.
So we've got that hopefully all taken care of. He should have this wrapped up today.
It looked weird.
It was kind of
I was like,
strange.
what the heck?
So, and then this one should be going home this week, Shannon.
What? Yeah, well, we're working on it. We gotta get some oil back in it. She's low. Bad. Ain't resting on stick.
Uh-oh. You know, if they decide to leave it here, that's okay. I wouldn't mind.
No.
No?
There's a lot of maintenance that needs to happen. on
Yes,
this
this thing, it's yeah.
But it's so pretty.
Finally got the belt figured out. They had the wrong size on it, whoever repaired it last, so.
thing. So, this one's been fighting him. We've been waiting for parts, and
Sometimes they do that. All right. Well, looks like you guys have your hands full. And then some.
Oil on stick. You can put 2 quarts in it.
And then whose is this? What's this?
beer.
Uh-huh.
This is all we're doing. He's supposed to pick up Friday.
Oh, oh.
Pick up tomorrow, yeah.
Okay. So he's gonna paint?
I don't know what he's gonna do with it. He just asked us to fix the metal, put it back in the sealer, which we've done.
Yep.
All right.
It's
Well,
all back in Taylor, everything's fixed.
mission accomplished.
We're just waiting for him to pick up, so we have a little bit of free space because my car's still outside.
Oh, and it's raining.
Yeah. And fixing to start on the buggy, aren't we?
Yeah, the buggy's got to
Yeah,
go here.
fiberglass on
Oh,
the buggy,
wow.
yep.
Yeah.
So for Jay
Get that
Howard.
done so we can get that out of here.
Yeah, so that's what I'm working on, trying to get enough oil in it.
Gotta clear everything out.
So next available, guys, is probably going to be February, March.
Yeah, probably more like March, right?
It depends. We got a couple prospective clients coming in for meetings. I think it's either next week or the week after.
Okay.
So, if they take that February slot, which they probably will.
Mm-hmm.
So March, April, bookings are first come, first serve.
Yeah.
So it's
We can't overstuff.
we have a little too many cars in here.
It's a little crowded.
So we're gonna get this stuff cleared out before we take anything more in.
There
We
you
got
go.
3 or 4 of them ready to go home. So
Yep.
just onesie twosie stuff. It's
There
that
you go.
last 1% that gets you.
Oh, every single time, right?
Yep. That's why they call them 1%ers.
Ah,
Anyway, now for something completely different.
there you go. What are you, Ministry of Funny Walks?
Sure.
Say goodbye to the nice people.
Bye, nice people.
Bye, nice people.